today we are going to discuss about the operators in PHP. There are different types of operators in PHP to operate on operands. The first one is arithmetic operators, then we will see assignment operators, comparison operators, increment decrement operators, logical operators, string operators, and array operators. So let's just start the browser and our XAMPP control panel. So start this and let's see our localhost is running. Yeah, it is running, and we just go with the notepad, and first we will see the arithmetic operators. Okay, so if I have a variable 1, that is num1 equals to 5 and $num2 equals to 8. So if I want to perform addition between these two numbers, so I'll just need to echo and addition of $num if I just to add these two numbers, so I'll use the plus operator, that is used for addition. So I'll just need to use this $num1 plus $num2 equals to, and then dot operator, and to perform addition I'll just use $num1 plus $num2. okay, I just need to save this program in all files mode, and operators I'll just replace this one, and when I go to PHP programs I'll just need to click on this operator. So it is showing 5 plus 8 equals to 13. So that's how you can do addition of two numbers by using plus operator. Here in double quotes it is taking $num1, it is replaced by this 5, and $num2 it is replaced by 8, and then equals to as it is, and then addition is performing over here. In the same way you can use a minus operator. So minus operator is for subtracting two numbers. I'll just put br slash to have a result in a new line. So it is showing 5 minus 8 is minus 3. The same way you can do multiplication. Division. And also the modulus. Modulus is nothing but it is showing a remainder after calculation. Save it, and when we run it, see it is showing 5 into 8 40, 5 divided by 8 is 0.625, and 5 divided by 8 equals to 5. That means 5 ones are 5. It is showing the remainder over here. I'll just to make it more clear, I'll just put it higher value here, that is 30, and lower value here, that is 3. So it will be easier to understand. See, 30 plus 3 is 33, 30 minus 3 is 27, 30 into 3 is 90, 30 divided by 3 is 10, and 30 divided by 3, that is 10. So it is showing a remainder 0. So that's how you can do the arithmetic operations. Now if you want to use one more operator, that is exponential, we'll just see that. Paste. Exponential is nothing but a raised to the power x raised to the power y, and for that we need to use star and star. So it will show like 30 raised to the power 3, and if I say 2 raised to the power 3, so it will show like 8 in the output. See, 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2, that means 8. Let's just share with the 30 raised to the power 3, it will be a bigger value. See, 30 raised to the power 3 is 27,000. So second we will see, I'll just need to add here one message so that it will be clear that these are arithmetic operation. Arithmetic operators. Also br slash. Okay, so that's how arithmetic operators work. Now we will see the assignment operator. Now in the assignment operator, we have some values on the right, and if you want to shift it to the left variable, then we can do with assignment operator. Like if I want to add num3 equals to num2, so num2 is having 3 value, so it should be assigned to num3. Sorry. Now if I have some value in num2, so num2's value should be assigned to num3. So here the num2's value is going to be in num3. So if I just print echo $num3, so it will show us a 3 value. Let's just take it to the new line by entering br slash. You can use directly this num3 inside this string also, because it is a variable. So just refresh, see 3 equals to, and in the same way you can use plus equals to operator, the minus equals to operator, then star equals to, that is multiplication equals to operator, then slash equals to also you can use, and there is one more, that is modulus and equals to. So all these operators you can use with the same way. So we'll just look it one by one. Like I have to check this plus equals to operator. I'll just need to type echo br slash and then num3 plus equals to 5. Okay, and it should show $num3. I'll just need to concatenate, and this should be like num3 plus equals to 5. So it should show 3 already. Num3 is having 3 value, so it will be split up like $num3 equals to $num3, as we have put plus over here, so $num3 plus 5. So whatever value $num3 is having, it will be added with the 5 and it will assign it to the num3 variable. So if so it is showing error, I'll just need to comment this line, and when I refresh this, it is showing 3 plus equals to 5, that is nothing but 8. So in the same way you can use other operators also. Just copy and enter with the minus equals to, here also minus equals to, that means num3 minus 5. The same way when we use 8 minus equals to 5, that means 3. The same way for multiplication equals to, division equals to, and modulus equals to. So here would be multiplication equals to, division equals to, and modulus equals to, and here also same way, multiplication, division, and modulus equals to, same thing, divide by, and then save it, and when we run this program, it will show 3 into 5 15, 15 divided by 5 3, and 3 mod 5 is 3. So just print this message over here, echo, and then br/. I'll just need to put semicolon. Okay, so that's how we have seen arithmetic operators and assignment operators. In the next tutorial, we will also have a look on comparison operator, increment and decrement operator, logical operators, and string operators. Finally, we will see array operators. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching.